Hey guys, it's Miss Amanda, and today we're going to do an experiment that involves us tasting the rainbow. So we are indeed going to use our mouth. You can either just watch me do it, or if you have the right things, maybe you can try it at home too. So usually when we taste the rainbow, we use a certain candy called Skittles. But Miss Amanda did not have any Skittles in her house. So she's going to try two different candies to see if it works just as well. I'm not sure if one's going to work better than the other. Maybe one won't work at all. We're going to find out together. So I have some M&Ms we're going to use. And I also have some Sour Patch Kids we're going to use. Don't tell my brother because I took them from my brother. So let's open up the M&Ms first. Oh, and you're also going to need some water that you can drink. So let's get a little bit closer. How do you think we should sort all the different kinds of M&Ms and Sour Patch Kids? Should we taste all of them and sort them by taste? Should we sort them by size? How about we sort them by color? Good idea. So let's sort them by color before we put them into the cups. So you're going to watch me sort them by color. And then once each color has its own pile, we can put them into each cup. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, so all of them have different amount of numbers in it. It seems like each thing has at least 4. So I'm going to make each pile have 4 of those colored candies. So I got a little hungry and decided to eat some of the extra ones. It's okay, I only ate like 3. And now we have 4 of each color for both candies. Here we go. Okay, I now sorted all of my candies by color. And in each pile, there are 4 candies. So let's take a look. For the red ones, M&Ms, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And I also have 1, 2, 3, 4 Sour Patch. Same exact thing goes for the color orange, for the color yellow, the color green, and the color blue. Now each one is going to get a cup. Okay, I'm going to put all the reds in here for just the Sour Patch Kids. Each color goes in its own cup. Then I'm going to start over and do the same thing with M&Ms. Okay, now I'm going to add some water into each one. What do you think is going to happen when I put water into each cup of candy? Think about it for a sec. Any guesses? Well, everybody thinks it's going to explode. Do you think it's going to explode? Because I don't think so. Maybe the candies will become different. Maybe they'll turn a different color or shape. Or maybe the water will become different. Maybe it will turn a different color. Or maybe its taste will change. We won't know until we find out. So I'm going to pour water into each one. So what's happening to each one? What happened to the Sour Patch Kids? Are they the same color? They're the same color, right? Does the water look a different color? Maybe a little. How about the M&Ms? Did they look like they were changing color? Right? Then they looked like they were turning white. It looked like the color that they were was going into the water. All right, let's take a look and let's stir them all up and see what happens. Okay, so let's take a look at the Sour Patch first. All right, so it's okay. So it doesn't look like the water itself changed much color, or the Sour Patch Kids, but I'm going to take a little sip. It's definitely a lot sweeter. I think the sugar that's on Sour Patch Kids dissolved and mixed into the water. But I think the gummy part of the Sour Patch Kids didn't do anything. Let me check out some of the M&M ones. I'm going to pick yellow. Ready? I'm going to take a sip of the yellow. It doesn't taste as good. It does not taste as good. It does not taste like chocolate. I think I like the taste of the Sour Patch Kids one a lot better. It's a little fruity, a little sweeter, a little sour at the same time. But the M&Ms, not my favorite. It's not. Let me see if blue's my favorite Sour Patch Kid. I'm gonna see if I like the taste of it. I really like this one. I would drink this. You guys should try it with Sour Patch Kids. You guys should probably try it with Skittles, but Sour Patch Kids, I'm not going to taste any more of the M&M ones because I didn't really like the M&Ms. And I think they're all going to taste the same. But this is pretty cool, and if you have other candies at home, you should totally try it. And then you can make a nice, fun rainbow. Thanks, guys. Till next time.